module will introduce the 5 Whys tool, which is a tool to conduct a root cause analysis. By the end of this module, learners will be able to define root cause and why it is important, define the 5 Whys tool and explain how it is used, and finally, describe an example of how to use the 5 Whys. Once your team has established the aim of your project and determined how you will measure improvements, the next step is to identify specific changes you want to make and prioritize which change ideas to focus on first. The 5 Whys helps you drill down to the root cause so you can identify specific change ideas. It is important to drill down to the root cause first before identifying any specific ideas. A root cause is an underlying breakdown or failure of a process. Identifying root causes is important because it reveals the true reason why a problem is occurring. It avoids putting a Band-Aid on the symptoms of a problem. Once the root cause is found, you can focus on identifying ways to fix the problem. You will know that you have found and fixed the root cause of a problem when the problem goes away and does not reoccur. The 5 Whys is a question-asking technique used to quickly determine the root cause of a problem. The tool asks why a problem is occurring, then why the cause of that issue is occurring, and continues asking why 5 times or until the root cause is uncovered. The 5 Whys is a very simple tool to learn and use. It removes layers of assumption about why a problem is occurring. To use the 5 Whys, the first step is to write down your problem. Be as specific as possible. Ask why this problem happened and write down the answer. Repeat this process until you find the root cause of the original problem. In order to check your logic, work backwards from the root cause, saying, therefore, this issue happened, therefore, the next problem happened, until you get back to the original problem. Here's an example of how to apply this tool to your everyday life. The problem is, I am late to work every day. Why? I do not leave my house on time. Why? I sleep too long each morning. Why? I turn my alarm off because I am so tired. Why? I go to bed very late each night. Why? I start projects after 9 p.m. You can work backwards with therefore to check your logic. I start projects after 9 p.m. Therefore, I go to bed very late each night. Therefore, I sleep too long each morning. Therefore, I do not leave my house on time. Therefore, I am late to work every day. So according to our analysis with the 5 Whys tool, we should be able to fix the problem of being late to work every day by starting projects earlier in the evening. Here's a public health related example. The problem is I do not have timely access to data for required reporting analyses. Why? It takes a long time for the department housing the data to respond to a data request. Why? The request is not seen as a priority by the staff at this department. Why? The staff at this department do not know why it is necessary to share data with my department. Why? The reasons for data sharing between our departments are not identified in data sharing agreement. Why? The data sharing agreement is outdated. Try working backwards with therefore. The problems of accessing timely data for required reporting analyses may be solved by updating this data sharing agreement between those two departments. Now let's try it. Think of a problem you are experiencing in your daily work life. Ask yourself why this problem occurs. Continue asking why until you identify the root cause. I encourage you to use the link on this page to check out the Quality Improvement Step-by-Step Guide, where you will find links to the 5 Whys tool template and examples.